Good morning, student. I welcome you to my grammar class today. The topic is preposition. In my previous class, I have already discussed what is preposition and a position of a preposition and types of prepositions. Now, we shall discuss what are the types of a preposition. You know, preposition can be grouped according to their functions and they can be preposition of place, preposition of time and other prepositions. Preposition can be grouped as three types: preposition of place, preposition of time, other preposition. Now you see which prepositions are used in the preposition of place: by, beside, over, above, under, below, beneath, through, across, along, behind, before, between, opposite, of, towards, for, at, in, on, etc. These prepositions are used as preposition of place. Next we see preposition of time. They are at, in, on, by, for, since, from, to, till, until, between, during, etc. Then third category we see other prepositions like means of travel, means of communication, instrument, agency, modes of payment, etc. So these are the three types of preposition grouped according to our books, according to functions: preposition of place, preposition of time, other prepositions. Now we see the preposition of place. Preposition of place. Now we discuss at. At is used to show the exact point. At is used to show the exact point, proper place. Exact point means proper place of house, station, village, etc. You know, at is used to show the exact point of a place, exact point of place. See examples. She is standing at the corner of the street, at the door, at the bus stop. It shows the exact point of place. Second, he lives at 95 Bapuji Nagar. Then, like 95, number of the quarter. She works at the public library. The train arrived at Cuttack. At Cuttack means Cuttack railway station. They meet at the club. At the club. At the station. At the party. He is at school, at work, at doctor's chamber. He is sitting at a desk at the table. Next, candidates have to write their names at the top of or at the bottom of the page. So, here we see how at preposition is used to show the exact point of a place. Now, you see in as a preposition of a place. In has the idea of being within a larger area. In is used before the larger area. It also refers to a house or a residence when no specific one is mentioned. Like a house or residence, when no specific one is mentioned, in is used for place of work if they are buildings. We see in has the idea of being within a larger area and also to a house, residence. If there is no house, no specific one is mentioned, in is used for place of work if they are buildings. If there are buildings, in is used for place. For example, he likes to spend the holiday in the country, larger area, in a village, larger area. He lives in London, larger area, country. In China, a country, larger area. My brother works in a bank building and in an office, in a factory, in a shop. At a place of work. Here, bank, office, factory, in a shop, place of work. He's sitting in the corner of the room, house. He lives in Bapuji Nagar. Stand in a queue, in a line. No specific one is mentioned. Place of work. Stand in a queue, in a line. He is playing in the playground, working in the field, and also larger area. He puts plates in the cupboard. So, in is used in these situations. You see, now you see preposition on is used to indicate proximity. Proximity means close to. For example, he is sitting on my left or on my right. Haridwar is on Gangas. Like Cuttack is on Mahanadi. A village on frontier. A house on the main road. A town on the coast. Trees on both the sides of the river. Next, he lives on an island. If the island is small, on is used. If the island is big, in is used. You can see water all around the island. Now you see preposition by and beside, how it is used for place. He is sitting by me or beside me. He is sitting by my side, or you can use at my side also. So, dear students, today's class on grammar is over. Preparation of place part 1 is over. Now we wait for the next class. we discuss vividly the other prepositions who are used for the place. So now the class is over. Thank you all. Wait for the next period. You see now how preposition on is used for the place. If the place of work are not buildings, if the place of work are not the buildings, on is used. For example, he is working on a farm, on a rubber plantation. The meeting was held on the premises, on the campus of a college. In these cases, the place of work are not the buildings, so on is used. Next, on is used to express the idea of touching or close contact. Touching or close contact. There is a notice on the notice board. Touching or close contact on the wall. Next, he is sitting on the grass, on the bench, on a chair, but in an armchair. Armchair हेले सेठी in हो or on the floor. Next, he kept his books on the shelf. He is standing on the balcony. You see how preposition on is used in different places.
କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ।